Hi, in this video we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017 edition Quant Problem Solving question number 33. Let's have a look at this question. The question says the graph above shows the height of the tide. So they have given us a graph where you can see the title of the graph is given as Tides at Bay Cove on July 30. Also in the x-axis they have mentioned timing in 6 a.m., 12 noon, midnight. Okay, so in the difference of every 6 hours they have given, so 6:12 p.m., then you have 6 p.m., then you have midnight. All right, and also they have given in the y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the height of the tide in the y-axis. All right, so now the question asking you which of the following is closest to the difference in feet between the heights of the highest and the lowest tide in July 13 at Bay Cove. So very simple question. You have to figure out from the graph that which is the highest highest feet, right? When is the highest feet, and what is the value of the highest feet and the lowest feet and the difference between them. That's it. So let's have this graph little bit enlarged and see what is the least and the highest value. So of course the highest peak, right? The peak is exactly here, right? So which they have already mentioned, it has 2.2. They have make our life easier here. The lowest is not 0.3 here, lowest is below the x-axis. You can see in the negative side, right? So you can see minus 0.5 is the lowest, correct? So now difference between the highest and the lowest means highest is 2.2, right? So then the lowest means minus of 0.5, which is nothing but minus get positive, so which is nothing but 2.7, right? So 2.7 feet would be the answer. So answer has to be E here. Here some students may do some careless errors. So when they say difference, they might subtract very simply 2.2 and 0.5. They forget the 0.5, right? Negative 0.5. So they end up choosing 1.7. This might happen with few students. So just be careful here. This is negative 0.5. So when you are finding difference, right? So that negative becomes positive. So 2.2 plus 0.5 will be 2.7. Otherwise, a very simple straightforward question. You can always trust the graph whenever they are giving you a graph in the GMAT, right? So you can trust the graph. They will give you the units very clearly. So you don't need to too much worry about the graph thing. Okay, so many students here think that okay, it's not exactly 2. It might be little bit not 2.2. It's looking 2.1. So you no need to worry about these things in GMAT, because they are going to point exactly what are the units are. They will give you even the smaller units as well, right? Say suppose between 2 and 3, if they have to give you a difference, they will give you all the jotted lines here so that you can find the value clearly. Okay, I hope this is clear. Answer has to be E here. Thank you.